All right, I decided to do a live stream today. The market is gone down, still going down. That means my calls here are the value of them is getting worth less and less, which means for me I can buy these back cheaper. So this one, AVGO here first, will tackle. I collected $595 for this, and the price has gone down to $27. And it expires tomorrow. So what I could do is, I could wait until tomorrow and let it expire. Or since most of the value of this $595 has gone down to $27, I've collected most of that. I could roll this out now and get an extra day of time. Otherwise, if I just let it expire on Monday or on Friday, it'll have to wait to clear on Monday. So I'll lose a couple days time there, and then the option that I roll out to will be worth a little bit less. So I can close this out now, or just let it expire, or I can just roll it. So I think I'm going to roll this, and my cost is, let's go look at that. My average cost, which has gone down to $356.62, that includes premiums I've already gotten. My actual cost to buy these is right around $360, which is why I have that $360 trade going now. But I could roll this out. Let me go back. So I could take this. It's actually going down to 25 now. So I could roll this out, which means I'm going to simultaneously buy it back and make a new trade at a new expiration, all in one move. So I do want to go up to my cost, because I don't want to let these go below my cost, which is right around $360. And I could go out, instead of 1 week, I can go out 2 weeks and get more premium. Let's see what the price is there. $360. I could collect $548. The delta is 28. It's under 30. I could go safer, collect less premium the farther away from the money I get, but I would get appreciation from my cost of $360 to like here $370, a $10 move, and the delta is 90, but I don't get as much premium, and things are kind of down right now. And for me, I don't mind if these shares get called away, because I would get $30,000 back, or in this case, if I did this trade, $36,000 back into my account. So I think I'm going to pick this. It's at my cost. Delta is pretty safe at 28, and I would select this, which means I would buy this back for 22 and collect 543 with a net of 521. So I'll go ahead and do that. Medium fill likelihood. My strike price, it's a kind of a wide bid ask, 498 to 540. I could go try to collect a little more, 5.25. That's a low fill likelihood, 520, let's say. Let's see if we get filled with this. I'll put that in my sheet in a minute. Meanwhile, this next trade, let's go look at a similar one that is for HOOD. My cost is right around 141 with premiums I collected and other things. It's brought down my average cost to like around 133. So I could get out of this at 133 and break even. But getting into this, it was actually 141, and I had some shares already. So I want to probably roll this to 141 if possible. It's gone down so far below the current price that it might be hard to make premium, but let's take a look. I could buy this back for $5, which is very cheap, and I've collected $321. So I'm going to roll this, and if I just go out a week and I go to 141, there's not a lot there. I want to be safest, collect 77. I could go out another week, go up to my cost of 141, 166. I could go down a little bit, collect 200 here. It's slightly below my cost, but actually my average cost what did I say that was? 133.06. There's a little bit of room there. I could play with. Delta is 22 there. Let's look at a couple different options closer to the money. So 135 is still above 133. I could collect 263. Delta here is 29 for a strike price of 134. What are the chances that Hood's going to go back up to 141? If it does, I'll get this money back in my account, and that's fine with me. It's kind of a trade-off that I'm thinking about. This Delta's under 30, which I like, but I don't want to chase premium too much. I'm going to go back up to the 135. Again, my cost is about 133.08. And if it starts to threaten this price, I can always roll it out later on too. Tough decision. I want to make at least $200. Let's go with the 136. It's a delta of 25.62. So I'm buying this back. It's now $4, and I'm collecting $241, going out 15 days or about 2 weeks. The total credit of $237. Let's see if we got a fill on these guys. I did get no fill yet. I'll have to watch these. But that's kind of my, I have to go for the rest of the day, but hopefully these will fill, and I'll put them in my spreadsheet, and I'll do a recap of these at the end of the week. That's it for now, people. Happy trading, and we'll see you on the next one.